Good morning, dear children. Today we'll study uses of simple future tense. So, first of all, let's know the construction of sentences in this tense. So, construction of sentences: shall or will plus V1. Shall or will plus V1. Now, when subject is I or we use shall. When the subject is I or we use shall. See here. But if you find subject you, he, she, it, this, that, they, those, here, those, these, singular name, suppose George, this is one name, singular name, plural names, example George and Rekha, if there are two or more than two names, singular noun, a book, plural nouns, suppose two books. Then we use will. See, if these are the subjects, then will plus V1. These are the subjects I and we, then shall plus V1. But please pay attention. We use in place of shall will. We use in place of shall will if in a sentence we are expressing our view or hope. In place of shall, there will be will. For example, I think we will succeed. I think we will succeed. Here we are expressing our view, or we are expecting something, we are hoping something. Next, if we are expressing determination, determination means certainty. When you are 100% sure that something will take place. So if you are expressing determination or certainty in future, we'll use will in place of shall. So here you can see we have used will with I, not shall. I will pass the exams this time. I will pass the exams this time. So here this is determination. You have determined something. So here you have used will in place of shall. Generally we use shall with I, but here you have used will. Third point is promise. If you are promising something to someone, you will use will in place of shall. See here in this example, don't worry, I will help you. Here you are promising someone. Don't worry, I will help you. So in place of shall, you have used will with I. See here. And next there is intention or desire. If you are expressing your intention, if you want to do something, so in place of shall, we'll use will. Example, I will go to London one day. I will go to London one day. See here, in place of shall, we should have been with I, we have used will. I will go to London one day. So here you can see, generally with I and we use shall, but if you are expressing few senses, then we use will in place of shall. So what are the points? Determination or certainty. Determination, certainty, promise, intention or desire, and one more we have done, I've told you, view or hope. Now let's come to the negative form. How will you form negative sentence in simple future tense? So you know very well, we just add not after auxiliary verbs. So here modal auxiliary verb is shall and will. So you just add not after shall or will, it will be negative. So construction becomes shall, will plus not plus V1. Shall or will plus not plus V1. For example, he will not, see, he will not play the guitar. He will not play the guitar. Again, let's come to question positive. You know, we frame question in two ways. First with the help of auxiliary verb, second with the help of WH word. So here with the help of auxiliary verb. So question positive, shall will plus subject plus V1 plus other words plus question mark. Shall or will plus subject plus V1 plus other words plus question mark. See here the example. Will he play the guitar? Will he play the guitar? Now if you make question negative with auxiliary verb, then just add not. So here shall, will or will plus subject plus not plus V1 plus other words plus question word, question mark. See here. So will he not play the guitar? Will he not play the guitar? Now let's come to, will he not play the guitar? Now let's come to frame the question sentence with WH word. So here WH word, this is question positive, WH word plus subject plus V1 plus other words plus question mark. And in negative, just add not. So WH word plus subject plus not plus V1 plus other word plus question mark. See the example now. What will he not play? What will he not play? This is question positive is WH word. What is question word? Plus auxiliary verb plus subject plus V1. Now if it is negative, then just add not. Question word, this is question word. So which instrument will, this is auxiliary verb, subject he, not, then V1 play plus question mark. So which instrument will he not play? Now dear students, as you have now learned the construction of sentences in simple future tense, so now let's learn when we use this tense. So yeah, first use of this tense is when something takes place. Takes place means happens in a general course of time in future, and the speaker cannot stop it from happening. The speaker doesn't have any control over it. If something happens in future, in the general course of time, and the speaker doesn't have any control over it, means cannot stop from taking place. we use simple future tense. For example, the train will stop at the station or at this station for only a minute. The train will stop at this station for only a minute. This is schedule of time, schedule of train. Now, second example you can see, I will be 16 tomorrow. This also cannot stop from taking place, whether you want or not. If your age is increasing tomorrow, so you will complete, or you will cross your age. So I will be 16 tomorrow. You cannot change from 16 to 17 or 18 here. Third, the school will remain closed tomorrow. The school will remain closed tomorrow. Here also you can say, you cannot control here. The speaker cannot control this.